Good morning. Here's a quick one. I have a bra and it started not to fit because I gained a little bit of weight and the band that goes around your rib cage just got too tight. And so something a lot of people don't realize is that you can buy adapters. They look like this and they see your hooks here. You just hook it on there. I know this is very simple and like a lot of you might know this, but if you don't know it and you are about to throw out a very expensive bra, don't do it because it has hooks here and then you get an extra couple of inches, and the low carb diet can wait. Right, there you go. So they come in all different colors. I had a blue bra, so I bought the blue kit and I chose the color that's closest matched. If you look on Amazon, first check your bra and see how many loops it has. Some bras have 3 loops and some have 2, some have 4. They sell these in all different sizes and all different colors. So there, all set. And it lays perfectly flat. Hope that works for you. Nobody's gonna see it, doesn't really matter. I mean, through your clothing, as long as it's like the right shade, I guess it's probably not gonna show. But I bought a set that came with 4 different colors. And so I have these extras in case I come across another bra that doesn't fit right. And I bought them on Amazon and they came in this cute little box. But anyway, that's how you fix a bra that doesn't fit around the rib cage. There is not much you can do if the cup size is too small. So that's just to get you by there. But anyway, don't throw away your expensive bras if you can just make an adapter. I would like to point out that this is complete BS. This bra says it's a 32 double D, but my rib cage is 28 inches around. Oh wait, is that not how they do the bands? I mean, I measured directly around my rib cage, and even if I inhaled all the way, 28. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this.